Today's September the 7th. We're climbing down off of the top of Crocker Mountain, actually North Crocker. We did south and then North Crocker. We're heading north on the AT. And this bird flew right out from my feet. He's off to the right as you look in the viewfinder, and hopefully he's not going to move too quick. So I get a picture of him.
Be careful, be careful.
Can you see him through there?
I see something moving.
He's got a pretty red head.
Hopefully it's not an attack bird. Oh, wow. Partridge in a pine tree. It's down on the log.
He startled me. Very pretty. And we heard a couple different birds that were up here.
One's the ruffed grouse.
And one's the ruffed grouse, and the other is
one that lets you get near it. And so they call it the something.
well, that's it. We lost him.
Where did he go out of the trail?
Over to the right.
Oh.
That's it.